Okay, I know I've already made one video, but there were a few things that I kind of skimmed over. This is the Walgreens Pharmacy Balance Rewards for Healthy Choices. You have several choices, and the more things that you choose to participate in, the more points you get, the more rewards you get. Anyways, I am involved in the feeling better portion of this healthy rewards or healthy choices. I'm involved in the exercise, the weight, nicotine replacement therapy for when I quit smoking. I do have that as another one as well. I do not participate in the blood pressure or the blood glucose. Shortly we'll have that gentleman, we'll have the person show up. There he is. You get a little pop-up after you come on, ask if you have a question, and if you're okay, I just click okay, I'm fine. So here's my health. I haven't done anything for today. Today I am happy. It's Monday. See, 20 out of 21 days. After another day, I'll reach my goal. Being happy or okay, 21 out of 28 days. You reach your goal. Whenever you reach your goal, you get extra points. You can manage the goal by resetting it. I did not weigh myself today. I weighed myself yesterday. I'm not going to put that in here just because I don't want you to see it. But since it was yesterday, what I'll do is I could put my weight right here, or I can go into the graph, and then I can add the weight, and then I can backtrack. Let me pull this up a little bit more. Backtrack to the next day, and the time of day that was. It was about 2:30 in the afternoon. And you just set your times that way. You can also just view your graph. You can view the log there over the period of time. What you do is when you set a weight goal, it's for 6 months, and you're not allowed to set it for more than 20 pounds at a time. And then after that 6 months, then you'll reset it and do it again. Here's another graph showing the weight decrease or increase as the case, whatever the case may be. Here's your tobacco. Quit smoking. There is, they give you, you can set your goal for your quit date. You can also, change that date. It shows you your progress here. Up here, it also shows you the weight loss. So far, I've lost 11 pounds. Actually, I've lost more than that because I got heavier after I initially started. So I lost the extra plus what I intended to do. But here again, I won't put my cigarettes in for today because I don't know how many I'll smoke today. So far, I've only had 7, but because it's evening. But I'll wait till tomorrow to put that in. And then what I do is I go into the graph and I put add, and we'll get him to move up again and see just by going in the calendar. You can backtrack, and then I can put my use for that day. And actually, I haven't done this for yesterday, actually. So I did have 10 cigarettes yesterday. And then I save it. And you can watch your progress. You can show all the data. You can show the log. There you go. You can also, it'll show you your quit date over here when you manage the goal. This is now I changed this yesterday and it didn't keep it. But I do have it reset in another place. This is the one we're focusing on. But anyways, I'll go back. And we're resetting this goal. Reset goal. We set this for December 10th. I think I'll be done. Yes. There we go. You also eat better, exercise. All these things are on here. So I didn't do my exercise for yesterday. I have a pedometer, but you can do any exercise. If I clean the house, if I go shopping, all those things I put in there as well. You don't only have to have steps, you can do kilometers and miles here as well. Here, the blue graph shows you're walking. You can go in here and backtrack. It shows you how many minutes, I'm doing the steps now that have pedometer. My other are the things, usually are my pool exercises, or if I've gone shopping, or if I've done housework, or whatever. Today, I want to put in my steps for yesterday. So those were walks, and it was steps. That was yesterday. My steps were not as many. I wasn't up as long because I wasn't feeling well. So that was only 12 hours. I do my pool exercises under other. And because I can't wear my pedometer when I'm doing the pool, I subtract that 30 minutes. So I was only up 12 and a half hours yesterday because I was sick. So we'll save this. I did do the pool yesterday, and that's on the other video that I also had done. So here we go. See, I had a big drop in that. But I have more steps today, I'll tell you. Going to Walgreens or going to Walmart will do that. So, and I showed you the weight and how we can go in there. The nicotine replacement therapy. I'm not currently on any. But again, you have your graphs with your dates. Shows you how, you can review that. And we'll put on here for today, no nicotine replacement therapy. You also have in most of these different options. It'll tell you how you're feeling. You can make notations in here. All of that type of thing. At any time, if you do want to chat with someone, there is usually, well, I lost him. You can't see it right here. It's over in this corner, my chat box, that I can click on and you can chat. And basically, here again, there's networking that you can do. And every time you reach a goal, you get extra points. So basically, here we go. These are some of the badges I've earned, or extra points I've earned, such as exercise. They do distance. You get rewarded for checking in every day, or checking each part every day. Let's see if I can go back here. I think that I've covered everything that I didn't cover yesterday, pretty much. And, you can change your name. You can change this update. This is my beginning one. I had a lot of things that was going on at once, and you can change that and just write it in and save it. And it really, it's taken me a while to fine tune it. I did the basics right away, but it's a good system. It gives you incentive. It keeps you on track of, on top of things and on track if you're reaching some of your goals. And in the meantime, you're earning points, and you're able to turn those points into cash. These are some of the points. Here's some of the goals that you get. 20 points for your entry. Once you do reach your when you do quit, go a day without cigarettes, you get a big reward. And then they want you to go for so long, so many days without cigarettes, and then you get another one, and they track you for a while. I think it's 6 months. And I think that's just about it. If you have any other questions, just let me know in a return email or give me a phone call, and we'll take care of that. There's a big thing on quitting smoking and tobacco. Let's see here what they all have in this information. Features and articles, services, smoking calculator, quit plan, article. There's, so there's a lot of information here, and it's really very useful, and it keeps me in check, so that I'm really work on trying to do everything that I'm trying to do to be a healthier person and to feel better about myself and all of those things. Okay? So that's it. Thank you.